Hey guys, today I want to explain you how my clients came to do her loss repair. Her hair was like she do like kind of 3 months or 3 or 4 months before to come to do her install. Her locks repair, and how you see on the video. So she make long time to come, and then all her hair look like we need to do again the back and some of the front, and we start doing like how you see. We take like kind of 3 hours because we are two people, so we take 3 or 4 hours to do her retire. It was very fast, and after the repair she was liking. So see the results, and you can just follow us and give you comments. Thank you so much, kiss.